Oh shit, you know what it is. You know what it does? We gotta go down there and check on our drawers. You know, yeah, I put my drawers in the washing machine. I gotta check on this shit.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, then I'll check that.
Yep, I'll see you, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh shit. Damn. Got a motherfucking chicken bone, you know what I'm saying? I need that chicken bone. Is it clean and serene? Oh damn, my shit's clean and serene. Hell yeah. Is this mine? I don't remember. No, that shit ain't mine. Hell no, that shit ain't mine. It's gonna start back up for me. Here it goes. Oh shit, uppers. Oh, that shit right there. Oh damn, I don't know. Don't do it to yourself. Oh shit, damn. What the fuck? Oh shit, damn. Leave that shit like that. I don't fuck about that bullshit. Put that shit up in there. Take that motherfucker like that. Boom. Yeah, I'm just washing towels and shit. That's all I'm washing. Hell yeah, that's all I'm washing is towels and wash rags, you know. Shipping in like that. Ain't nothing in there. There ain't nothing in these motherfuckers got in there. Shit, about fuck around with bullshit. Hell, you got motherfucking chicken bone and shit. There you go, it's empty. Empty ass motherfucker. Woo. That's it. Oh damn. I don't know what the fuck I did over here, man. You gotta start this motherfucker up. I fuck with everybody. I fucked with everybody dryer. I don't know. Shit. I don't see no time, man. You know what? Fuck it. I don't give a fuck. You know, I'm fucking with it. Oh shit. Where's my card at? Oh, there's my card. Hell yeah. We gotta start that motherfucking machine. Is this one right here, right? Hell yeah. Smack it. Let's smack that shit. Put it up in the hole right there. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Processing like a motherfucker. Read that bitch. I think that's it. I did it. I didn't put the shit all fucked up, did I? Nah. Yeah, that shit dry. That ain't that's not my shit, but I'm just checking it, you know what I'm saying? Cause I start that, I disturb that motherfucker. I'm making sure that shit dry. Yeah, that shit dry out of the motherfucker. Yeah. That's not my clothes, but I gotta make sure it's dry, you know. Oh yeah, dry to the motherfucker. Hold on a second, get my chicken bone. Hell yeah, we might want to buy something. Shit. Might want to buy something with that chicken bone in it. Oh shit, motherfucker.